Hello everyone and welcome back to La Forêt French class. Today we are going to learn about les articles partitifs. So now let's understand what exactly are les articles partitifs. They are the articles in French used to talk about an undefined quantity of something or for things that you can't count one by one. So now let's break down les articles définis for a better understanding. So here we use the, which is a preposition, but right now it's not playing the role of a preposition. Plus we use les articles définis to form les articles partitifs. So the plus le, which makes du, is used before a masculine singular noun. The plus la, which makes de la, is used before feminine singular noun. The plus le apostrophe, which makes de le apostrophe, is used for nouns which start with vowel or a silent H. And the plus le, which makes de, is used for a noun which is plural for both masculine and feminine. So now that we have understood les articles partitifs, we will now move on to the exercises for your better understanding. So now let's start solving these sentences. So whenever you are doing an exercise for les articles partitifs, first you have to see the gender of the words given after the dash. So we will do that only first. So the first sentence is je mange dash fromage. So now here the word fromage is masculine. So we will put that. Then the second sentence is elle prépare dash salade. Now here the word salade is feminine. So we will put here that it's feminine. Now the third sentence is tu veux dash o. Now the word o is feminine, but it has a vowel and it is starting with a vowel. So that's why we will put here that it's a vowel. Now the fourth sentence, il achète dash fruit. Now the word fruit is masculine, but here it is ending with an S, which means it is plural. So it is a masculine plural noun. So we will put here P. So now let's put these les articles partitifs here. So now let's see the sentences. Je mange dash fromage. So now we can see that it is masculine. So we will put du. Second, elle prépare dash salade. So we will put de la because the word salade is feminine. So we will put de la. Tu veux dash o. Now the word o is starting with a vowel. So we will put de le apostrophe. Il achète dash fruit. Now the word fruit is ending with an S, which makes it plural. So we will put here they. So now let's see the explanation of these once again. Je mange du fromage, which means I eat some cheese. Elle prépare dash salade. She prepares some salad. Tu veux dash o. Do you want some water? Il achète des fruits. They buy some fruits. So now we will see how to use les articles partitifs when the sentences are in negative form. So whenever the sentence is in negative form, you have to use the or the apostrophe. So for example, if the sentence is this, je ne veux pas café. Now, we will put here du café because café is a masculine noun. But no, we really can't put du here because it has ne pas. Ne pas indicates that it is a negative sentence. So we'll have to put here the. Now the second sentence is il n'a pas argent. Now you will think that here we have to put the only. No, we here can't put the because we'll have to put the apostrophe because this word starts with a vowel. So we will put here the apostrophe. We also can't put the la apostrophe because il na pa is a negative sentence. So you have to forget all of this if the sentence is negative. Now, je n'ai pas pomme. Now, pomme here is in plural form. So then we'll have to put here they only. No, we can't put here they. We'll have to put the only because the sentence is negative. So whenever the sentence is negative, for masculine, for feminine nouns, for plural, for both masculine and feminine, you have to put the only. But if the noun is starting with a vowel or a silent H, you'll have to put the apostrophe. Thank you for watching this video. If you like the video, please like, share, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Au revoir.